Tell me what you're doing.
Tell me what you're doing.
No, you tell me what you're doing.
What I'm doing.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm picking a pumpkin.
Yeah, what's the pumpkin for?
It's for me.
Yeah? Is this your Halloween pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. What colors are you painting?
Blue and white.
Mm-hmm.
And then blue.
Okay.
For me.
Very nice.
Mom, and then has eyes.
Has eyes?
Yeah. Mom, what is it me? Mom?
Yeah?
Pretty daisy. A pretty daisy. A pretty daisy. A pretty daisy.